What our question says that an observer is moving with half the speed of light towards a stationary microwave source. In this case, our source is at rest, it is stationary, and our observer, it is moving towards the source at a speed which is half of the light. Now the source is emitting the Fs, the source is emitting the waves at a frequency which is 10 gigahertz, which is equal to 10 gigahertz. What is the frequency of the microwave measured by the observer? We have to find that what will be the frequency which will be listened by the observer. In this case, the speeds are comparable to speed of light. So we cannot use simply the classical Doppler model. We have to also use the theory of relativity into it. If we will use the theory of relativity, we can say that Fo, the frequency heard by the observer, divided by Fs, that will be equal to root of C minus V divided by C plus V, right? Here the V will be taken as positive if our observer and source are moving away from each other. But in this case, the observer is moving towards the source, so we will be taking this V as negative, and it will be equal to minus C by 2. So putting the values, we will get Fo is equal to root of C minus C by 2 divided by C plus minus C by 2 multiplied by Fs. Okay. So here cancelling the C, we will have root 3 into Fs. Now putting the values, we will have 17.3 gigahertz. Thus that will be our answer to the question, which is our option number